Today I want to show you how to install an OS ticket help desk on Hostgator. Inside your cPanel, look for software and services, press on Fantastico, and then on the left hand side press on OS ticket, then click on new installation. Then you just select what domain name that you want the OS ticket installed on, which will be here. For a help desk, you could make it a subdomain, as in help desk or support, which you would type in here. Then you just enter in your username to access the help desk and the password to access the help desk, and then an email address for the admin. Once you've done that, click on Install OS Ticket and then click on Finished Installation. Then enter your email here. Then go to the domain name that you set it up and what subdomain you made it at, and your OS ticket should be live. To access the admin, all you do is at the end of the URL put /scp/ and that will bring into your admin, and this is inside the admin. Now your username and password will be sent to your email address so you can access admin. But always, when I install a new help desk on my websites, I always just make sure that's working correctly. So just open a new ticket. This is under the help desk subdomain. New ticket. Just send a ticket to yourself to make you feel special. Once you've sent a support ticket to yourself, go into admin and make sure it goes through. So here is the ticket I sent to myself, and here it will just show the IP address of the sender, the help topic, last message, name, email, phone, and etc. Now on my last website, I actually found a way to delete the phone option, but I won't go into that. But here is a message I sent to myself. Okay, settle down. Then you can reply to that message. You post a reply down here. And then you can actually select a pre-made message. Say that you get a lot of questions on the exact same topic. You can create a pre-made message, and also you can add a signature as well. Close the ticket on reply. So it's pretty straightforward to work out, really. And if you found this video useful, please leave your comment below this video. Thank you.